Yeah, this camera doesn't have very good autofocus. Yeah, I wanted to point out that, I have this little tablet here, by Insignia. It's a 10-inch tablet, but it's one of those Insignia tablets. It's a few years old. It's 32 gig of RAM in it and stuff, but it's got like Android 6 on it or something like that, and but every time it goes to sleep, if you wake it back up, it's like performs sluggish as hell. So you really got to reboot it, if you ever let it go to sleep. So what I do is I just freaking plug it in and use it as a security monitor. And I've had this on for like 2 straight months. I just can't believe it's held up this well. So I thought that was an interesting alternative use for this because it seems to be doing fine. I don't know. I don't know if it's ever going to crap out on me or not, especially with the battery being constantly on the charger. But I don't know. Anyway,